they want to claim the moral high grounds, I would urge the BJP to first look within their house. This is Mr. B.Y. Vijayendra, the State BJP President's affidavit. In this very clearly, he himself has given that there is a case that is going on against him, crime number 3/2022, dated 16/09/2022, under section 7, 8, 9, 10, 13 of the Prevention of Corruption Act, which includes offense relating to public servant being bribed, etc., cheating, extortion, and very clearly he's got summons also. He's mentioned it, not us. This is not the Congress party alleging this. And more importantly, he himself has written right here the brief description of the offense, money laundering related. ECIR has been registered. Very clearly, if the BJP is asking Mr. Siddaramaiah to resign based on the ECIR complaint, the same should apply for their state president first. The same should apply for other BJP MLAs who have the ECIR case. How come they speak on moral grounds when it comes to only Mr. Siddaramaiah? Even if they have an iota of shame, Mr. B.Y. Vijayendra should not continue as the president because his father, Mr. B.Y. Yediyurappa, has a complaint or POCSO against him. It's a serious offense. A former chief minister has a case of abusing a minor, and still you are in office, and you are going around giving us moral lectures. What kind of moral grounds do they have, or morality they have?
It's a time being chief minister. This is what
like the Congress is now pointing fingers at the BJP instead of tackling the allegations.
We are tackling the allegations. Very clearly, we have refuted everything. There is no crime, there are no proceeds of crime, hence no resignation. Did we say that we are going to give resignation? Is the Congress legislative party or the High Command sought resignation of Mr. Siddaramaiah, or did Mr. Siddaramaiah offer to resign? No. These people are saying you resign on moral grounds. First, let them establish their moral grounds first, and then let them come to Congress party.
This seems like revenge politics where you are pointing fingers or digging the dirt of the BJP leaders.
This is not revenge politics. Revenge politics would have been if we put a case against them. Amit Shah ji and Modi ji have put a case against their own party people. How is that revenge politics? Have we put a single case on Mr. Vijayendra? Have we put a single case against Mr. Yediyurappa? Have we put a single case against Mr. Ashok? No. It's all happened during the BJP. And we are just upholding the law and investigating that. Is that a crime? Since when did following the law of the land become a crime?
So Mr. Vijayendra says he is a time being chief minister.
It doesn't matter what Mr.
on the loss in Haryana.
You think so?
Election.
Do you think so?
I don't think so. Sir, he thinks
It might be his thought. Do you think people actually know what in Haryana know what MUDA is? Or people over here actually understand the demography of Jat politics there, or the farmer issues there? It's all state elections are localized. And so tomorrow, why didn't it affect Jammu Kashmir?